What's up, people? This is Agent Corey Banks, Realtor 007. And today, do a walkthrough with one of my clients' projects. This is a 4-bedroom, 2 full bath. And in this particular area in West Baltimore, the houses are around 5 to 6 bedrooms and the ARV is 325. So the goal for this particular property is to get to that ARV and do the necessary work so we can make sure we get to that, or at least get close to it. So let's go take a look and see some of the things that we have in mind, some of the ideas that we have, and let's try to get to that goal. Let's go. So as you see, it's a crazy mess over here, right? But what we're looking to do with this, we're gonna knock out these shelves here, and then there's a wall right here. We're looking to expand this a little bit because on the other side of this wall here, you have a bedroom. But then you have the dining room on this side, so this wall comes out right here. Actually, we're gonna keep the floors. The floors aren't too bad. Keep the floors, and if you notice on this area right there, we have the radiator heat. One of the things we're gonna do as well is have the tile going from the ceiling down to the floor, making that fireplace a focal point. So come on, let's go over this way. So now we've knocked out these walls here. You have this space, and then on this side, there's another wall, and that wall comes out as well. So to be clear, the whole point of what we're looking to do is to make this whole entry-level open space, like where you can see straight through. And as you've seen before, the wall here, you have a wall here, and then you have this basement that's right here as well. And another thing that we're looking to do with that is we're gonna knock down the basement, knock down this wall here, make this a half wall, and open up the space where now you have the rails and you have that eye level where you can see the whole from the front door all the way to the back. Let's go in the kitchen real quick. Now we're in the kitchen here, right? And as I said, the whole point is to make it from where you can look from the back to the door, front to the door, however you want to say it. And on this side, like I said, we have the half wall. And now with the kitchen, we got to expand the kitchen a little bit. So now you have this pantry area here, and the goal, what we're looking to do, knock out this part of the kitchen and just expand it a little bit, just to give the kitchen a little bit more space. Renovate the kitchen, possibly put an island in the middle, and like I said, just give it a little bit more space to add more square footage to the kitchen. Part of the challenge with this particular house is actually the layout, right? All of the bedrooms aren't on the same level. And in this particular area, you have the comps around 325 for at least a 5-bedroom. And now trying to find out and figuring out what the layout would look like. As you see right here, there's two bedrooms on either side of me. And then there's 2 more bedrooms upstairs. Now, of course, that's 4 bedrooms. And what we're discussing right now is to create a 5th bedroom in the basement. That way we can get to our 5-bedroom goal and make it easier to get to that 325 comp. Right now, this is a 4-bedroom, 2 full bath, and our goal is to get it to a 5-bedroom, 4 full bathroom house. So we can get close to that 320, if not hit that 325 ARV or market value that we're looking for. So come on, let's go outside. Now with this property, part of the issue that my client has is dealing with the trees. Have 3 very large trees in this area, 2 right here and 1 there. Their main concern are the tool that's here with the branches hanging over. Not to mention, of course, it's causing problems with the gutters, and it's definitely causing a problem with the roof, which we already need a new roof as it is, which is one of the things that's going to be replaced. Replacing the roof, we want to remove the trees, have new windows, and of course that's going to be have to on the budget, but it's something that needs to be done and they want to have done. So this is just a quick walkthrough with a new project that one of my clients has. I'm gonna definitely keep you guys updated with everything and let you know how it's going. Until then, it's Agent Corey Banks, Realtor 007. You guys have an amazing day, and I'll check you later, all right?